I repeat, you do not need an iPhone or a camera to start a YouTube channel. What it do? What's up, YouTube? It's your Desiree, and if they can do it, we can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Get up and grind, you feel me? Welcome back to another video, and as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing y'all, or telling y'all, how I record off my iPhone 7, edit off my iPhone 6, and basically, I got phones, period. And then I record off one, edit off the other, and then I be uploading on the other, because when I upload on my laptop, it be taking too long. So I upload on my other phone. But let me give y'all these 10, I think a 9+ tips. No, it's really 8 tips that I got for y'all who got an Android, or you got an old phone that you record off of, like me. I don't use my new phone. I use my old phone because it's still a good quality, period. But let's just go ahead and get into this video, okay? Tip number 1, start the channel. Y'all be watching these videos on how to get 1,000 subs, how to get 4,000 watch hours, how to be monetized, and you ain't even started your channel. Cut it out. Start. You're never going to be anywhere if you don't start. Second, if you using your phone that you do everything off of, like you got Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, everything, make sure you free up some space. When I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't have all these phones. So I had to, delete some photos, delete a couple games, apps, then go record a 10-minute video, 20-minute video, upload it, delete it, and keep it going. I promise, especially iPhone, they gonna pop up their little message. Look, and if you recording off your back camera, you done messed up because you talking to a camera that done stop recording. Like, sis, are you serious right now? Like, don't do that to me. But make sure you got enough space, because your video will cut off. Listen, that happened to me one time, and I will never make that mistake again. It was a depressing day because the video was really lit. The video was lit, and we're just not gonna talk about that because that hurt. 3, everybody be saying make sure it's super quiet, but I don't know what planet Earth y'all live on, but the one I live on got 7 billion people on it. It's not gonna be super quiet 24/7. Like, come on now. People be like, y'all, I heard a dog barking. Oh my gosh, there was a plane flying over her building. What planet Earth do you live on? Because baby, I don't live on Mars. I live on Earth with 7+ billion people on it. You gonna hear some noise. Stop playing with me. Period. Like, I live on Earth. Stupids. Okay. Number 4, have good lighting. And like I said in my how to get 1,000 subscribers video, go watch that if you haven't seen it. You don't need a ring light. Like, you don't. I don't have one. And this lighting is good to me. You can use window light from your son, or you can do what I do. I got a lamp and I got LED lights in my room. I turn those on, and then listen. Everybody be buying them little cheap light bulbs from Family Dollar, Dollar General, all that's $1. Listen, go to Walmart. Get a LED white light. Most people buy yellow lights because they're cheaper. But listen, get a white light, put it in your room. It's gonna look like the sunlight. But listen, let me tell y'all one thing I don't like about these lights. When somebody come in my room and I'm asleep, I am now up. No more sleep. Like, it literally look like the sun has entered your room. My lighting look good to me. And when I edit my videos, they don't look bad to me. So that's tip number 4. Get you some good lighting, okay? Make sure you look Make sure I can see you. We just don't have no dark video, period. Number 5, clean your lens. I kid y'all not. When I used to record with my back camera of my 6, I was in my 5. I think it was when I had the 5 and I used to record off my back camera. I kid y'all not, I recorded a whole video with a smudge on the camera. I had to delete the whole video. But look, we ain't gonna talk about the past, but look, just clean them lenses before you get in front of that camera. Make sure it's spiffy, hit the with your shirt and record that video, okay? And y'all, this is not on here, but you do not have to have an iPhone to start a YouTube channel. I repeat, you do not need an iPhone or a camera to start a YouTube channel, because if you didn't know, you can go on a YouTube video, click the little 3 dots in the corner. Is it the 3 dots? No, it's at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little settings button. You can click that and you can change the HD of any YouTube video. You can put that mud in 720, which is good, or you can put that mud in 1080p, which is good. You can go, some people, you know, phones a little up there and you can get that 4K. But listen, the higher definition your video, the slower it goes, because baby, I don't know what type of service them 4K videos be using. But yeah, next, number 6, make sure you get your setup right. You got your lighting, you good, your camera ain't got no smudge, you in a good place, you know, nice white simple background or whatever your background want to be. You got your tripod or your whatever set up on the windowsill, you know. Make sure everything gets set up and make sure it don't fall, none of that, because you understand what I'm saying. Number 7, record horizontal. I be seeing videos and they be like this, like, no, record like this, okay? Okay. Do not record vertical, record horizontal, okay? Horizontal, not vertical. If you don't, horizontal is this way, vertical is this way, for the people who don't know. Everybody don't know. Because when you record this way, when you record vertical, it's gonna have those 2 black bars on the side of y'all screen, and those are kind of just a little distracting, and I really don't personally like watching videos like that unless it's like a tutorial where they're teaching me something, or when they're screen recording their screen, then I'll watch videos like that. But if it's like a prank and it's vertical or anything, no, bye. So record horizontal. 8, just make sure everything is straight. That really went with number 6. That's why I did some. Okay, so set up and make sure everything good. Number 9 and 10, record and edit. That's it. It's that simple. It's not that hard. Like, that's it. You get your little setup, start the channel, free up some space, have you some good lighting, set it up, make sure your setup good, make sure you look good, make sure you got it going, make sure your lens clean, set everything up where you want to do it in a place that as quiet as you can get it. But let's just be honest, it's not, some places not always just super quiet, especially New York videos. I have yet to watch a New York video where I don't hear something in the background. I'm sorry, New York is 24/7 lit, okay? But yeah, that's about it. And then when you record that video, you can go and then edit that video, and that's about it. That's all I really do. And like I said, I really don't do editing. I just add in stuff or cut out stuff. I'm gonna be adding in screen stuff. I don't really like doing all that, because like I said, minimum is the key to success. No, I'm just playing. But minimum is best on this platform to me, because my top 3 videos got the most views on my channel. So yeah. But let me just go through all these tips again. Start your channel. Please start watching these videos if you ain't started a channel. It's so irritating. Like, and then y'all get to asking all these questions like, so when I start, what should I record? Like, I don't know. Baby, that's your channel. You do whatever you want, like I said, because it ain't nobody's business but what you do on your channel. But let me start your channel. Free up space on your phone so your video won't stop in the middle of your video while you're recording. Make sure it's a quiet place, but let's be honest, every place is not always super duper quiet. Everybody doesn't have an extra room they can record in their house. So you do what you gotta do, okay? Make sure you have some good lighting. Like I said, you can go to Walmart and get you a white LED light and put it in your room, and it's going to give you that sun vibe. You can use a lamp. You can use those little light stickers people have on those walls. You can use your vanity, because that be some good lighting, baby. Them vanity mirrors be good lighting. You can, and you then set up, clean your lens, record, edit, make sure everything good. You just get to going and doing you. But thank you guys for watching it. Like I said, if they can do it, we can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Get up and grind. Let's go. But look, make sure y'all have a beautiful, blessed, amazing, fantastic, wonderful quarantine. But thank y'all for watching. Have a beautiful day. Okay? Okay? Oh, my next video. Stay tuned because I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to just, it's personal, y'all. It's personal. Real personal. Stay tuned. Okay.